How to fix ABN AMRO app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now, at the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in the app name ABN AMRO and then search for it. With that app will appear. After app appears at the right corner of it, you're gonna see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache by the app. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of general, head over to the option of iPhone storage. Now over here you're gonna find different apps that are installed in a device. Find the app ABN AMRO. After you find it, open it. Then click on Upload app. Click on Upload app. Uploading app clears cache by the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If these two solutions doesn't work for you, what you can do is apply solution 3. That's you'll need to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, go ahead and click on the option of delete app. With that, you're gonna get the pop-up. Click on delete app for the confirmation. The app will be deleted. Then you can close this. Launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app ABN AMRO. After app appears, install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix ABN AMRO app not working. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.